Yoga of renunciation of action in knowledge. Chapter 4, Shloka number 41 and 42. Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. He who has renounced actions by yoga, whose doubts are rent asunder by knowledge, who is poised in the self as the self, actions do not bind him, O Dhananjaya.
Chapter 4, Shloka 41. Yoga Sanyasta Karmanam Jnana Sanchina Samshayam Atmavandam Na Karmani Nibatnanti Dhananjaya.
Therefore, with the sword of knowledge, cut asunder the doubt of the self, born of ignorance, residing in your heart, and take refuge in yoga. Arise, O Bharata.
Chapter 4, Shloka 42. Tasmat ajnana sambhudam kristam jnanasinatmanah chitvainam samshayam yogam adishto tishta bharata.
Chapter 4, Shloka 41 and 42. Actions don't bind him who has renounced actions by yoga, has become doubt-free through knowledge, and is self-possessed. This is the final conclusion given by Lord Krishna. When we have by karma yoga given up attachment to the fruits of action and work in perfect detachment, and all the doubts have been removed by the inner experience of the divine in us, the ego comes to discover itself to be the Atman. Actions do not bind such a person. The individual ego, which has freed itself of the notion of doership and attachment by acting without ego and egocentric desires, and has freed itself of all doubts through knowledge, comes to discover itself as self when actions do not bind. Shloka 42. Lord Krishna concludes by asking Arjuna to take refuge in yoga by cutting asunder the doubt of the self by the sword of knowledge, which is born of ignorance and residing in the heart. Here by yoga, Lord means the 12 techniques which he has explained earlier in the chapter. Swami Chinmayananda says, it is a call to every seeker to get up and act well in the spirit of yagna, and thereby to gain more and more inner purity, so that through true meditation, every one of us can come to experience and gain the supreme peace, which is the final fulfillment of evolution. More in the next chapter. Yoga of true renunciation of action. Om Tat Sat. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.